Hey, good morning everyone. We're out here on our favorite beach for foraging and discovering stuff. It's a nice day. The water is a little rough, so we're gonna be doing some fishing. We're gonna be doing some foraging, hopefully some forage catch and cook for y'all. Kids are already over there, they're having fun, they're already looking at stuff. What you got there? What you got there? Okay. Sea cucumber, right on. They're already looking at stuff and discovering. We'll do a lot more of this, and before we get the fishing poles out, we got the tent set up. Enjoy. All right, the tide is at just about peak low. So before we start fishing, I want to go forage a little first. If we're gonna do a catch and cook, definitely get some stuff that we'll be able to cook before we try fishing. So I'm just gonna walk the rocks, try to see if there's any opihi or limpids around, or also PPP, the periwinkles. Leila likes those. And yeah, see what we can find. Stay tuned. We got some here. These are way too small. It's illegal to pick. Some people do, and it's a real shame. But yeah, way too small. Leave them alone. Let them go, let them grow. Okay, this is the absolutely most borderline that we would get, we would pick. These guys are legal, but they are small. I like to find the bigger ones, but let's treat this like a survival situation, I guess. And still legal, but smaller than I usually like to get. Not a real survival situation. Kids ate breakfast a little while ago. Don't call CPS on me. There we go. Oh, they're all gray ones. Just like to get the yellow ones. The yellow ones, they are sweeter. They got a better taste to them. But the area where I usually get them, there's some guys fishing over there, and I don't want to disturb them. They were here first. So I'm gonna wash this guy out. Yep, all right. Put him in the bag and keep going. All right, I had to save the day real quick because Nolan stepped on a crab, a little tiny baby one. And the crab didn't appreciate that, so Nolan got pinched. So he was freaking out a little bit, but it's fine, he'll live. Okay, this seaweed here, this is limukala. We're gonna actually get some, and we're gonna use it for bait. To try to catch either kala the Pacific unicorn fish, or Nenui rudder fish. Whenever you pick seaweed, snip it. Don't ever pull it out from the root. You gotta let them grow. That's a nice branch of it right there. Save these guys up and see if they'll be good bait for later. That was a half Leila and half later. Okay, so we done got disrupted. This is a Hawaiian monk seal, so we gotta leave. They are endangered and we can't bother them. All right, so we're gonna head back. All right, so we're gonna leave that seal alone. Got some of these guys in Hawaii, we call them pipipi. They're periwinkles. I'm gonna cook those guys up too. Seeing that I can't get to my prime Opihi area because of unexpected surprise, but that was cool. And heck, she belongs here more than we do, so we'll leave her be, or him, I don't know. There's the yellow one. That's koi gold, baby. Couple of UH-60s. See a dust off, both of them dust off. Right on. Black Hawks. That's always cool to see. I was Army Aviation for shoot, 8 years. I worked 2 units in Korea that had those Blackhawks utility helicopters. Here's a ha'uke, the helmet urchin. I think if you've watched our other video in this location, you saw us crack one open and Leila eating the meat of it, and she really likes it. It's really sweet. We're not going to do that right now or today because I just want to do some stuff that we're gonna, you know, cook. And you don't really cook those, you just eat them nice and raw. In fact, chilled is the best. It's not a sushi restaurant to the Unia. Real important trying to instill with the kids, no matter what you're doing over here, foraging, fishing, sightseeing, whatever it may be, that's your #1 concern at all times. The ocean. The ocean is unpredictable. The more you spend time around it, the more you can learn how to read it and stuff, but never turn your back on the ocean. Have respect for it. Respect the ocean. It provides. Alright, so we're gonna do some whipping. We already got appetizers for forage, catch, and cook. So let's see if we can get a main course going, yeah? Basically, I'm just using this grub here, green grub. In Hawaii, you can get these all over the place. Making a tasty looking little deal there. People have their different colors, their favorite colors. You cast out, bring them in slowly, and see what we can get. Oh! Fail! That was my fault. New pole. Alright, this pole's an extra light. Everything on it's real light, so any kind of, even the smallest fish will probably be a pretty entertaining fight on this guy. And basically that's just what we're doing. You can add some sound effects. That's a shout out to Uncle Joe Olivas. That's a channel that y'all would really want to go check out on YouTube. I'll link his channel in the description below so you can check him out. He's real good. That is the fishing celebrity of Hawaii. Right, what's this? It's a wrasse, Himalaya. Not big enough to catch, not big enough to keep. These guys, when they do get big enough, they are actually pretty good eating. You can steam them up, almost like a parrotfish, some of them. I'll let that guy go. I think maybe that's the guy that's been attacking my stuff. But, all right. If we were starving, that would be lunch. Another type of wrasse, another Himalaya. Same deal. A little too small. See, they're coming out. Chill out, man. I'm gonna put you back, dude. They come in all different kinds of colors. Ow, you're trying to poke me. That's a beautiful one, though. Alright, I got him. Mouth is pretty soft. Hook comes out easy. Fish goes back. All right, I had another bite and I could feel exactly what he did. He grabbed my grub and took it right under the rock, forcing me to snap my line. Got stuck right away. So I'm gonna go check the time. Maybe it's time to eat some opihi and stuff, I don't know. And then we're gonna try a different method. Hold on, the kids want to show what they're doing. Wow. You know, we have a tent, right? It's too shady? You like the sun? Okay. Right on. All right, well, the sun children are doing that. I'm gonna try this other method. This is again a shout out to Uncle Joe Olivas and his YouTube channel, Whipping with Joe. It's for catching like nenui, rudderfish, kala, Pacific unicorn fish. We're gonna hook up this limu kala that we harvested up on the rocks over there. Now, watching him do it, find a big leaf, put the hook through said big leaf, kind of hide the hook amongst the branch, and then you're going to wrap around, kind of get a slip knot in there. You're gonna toss this guy out. It's gonna dangle. There's gonna be a bobber up ahead. The limu kala is gonna dangle into the water and hopefully attract a fish that like to eat this type of seaweed. Let's make sure my drag is not too loose or too tight. Alright. See what we can get with this method. Ooh. Where's the bobber? There he is. Alright. Making sure it's recording. I've never been a bobber type fisherman. Usually like just whipping or dunking. But hey, if this works, this works. And the story behind it, on why we're doing this, is I forgot to buy weights. I forgot to buy lead, and I ran out last time we went fishing. So gotta make do with what you got. All right, it's getting a little too rough and crazy up here. I know we're getting high swells right now. The tide is starting to come back up, so I'm gonna go ahead and head back over to the tent with the kids. Maybe cook up that opihi for Leila. Yeah, you can tell the waves are getting crazy. Got my seaweed above my bobber there. Alright, I'm gonna test out my new camping stove, propane stove. I'm looking forward to this. I'm gonna get this guy all up in there. This is gonna go straight to the propane. Any other attachments? Oh, this is a adapter in case you're using butane. But we're gonna get this guy up in here. Let's get it on the rock, get it out of the tent. Find a nice flat rock. What? Oh, that looks good. Oh, it's not the adapter for the butane, it's the adapter for the propane. Alright, there we go. We got the stove going. We're gonna get this, put a little bit of butter in there. We're gonna do this. Hold on, Leila. That might be a little too hot. Turn that down. Butter. Got some minced garlic in there.
I like the garlic with butter.
Minced. Oh, everyone likes minced garlic with butter.
Except no one.
Dun 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 dun.
The world's moving from the heat.
That's the shadow of it. Yep.
It's moving.
Yeah, you can see heat and shadows.
Yeah. I don't really see shadow.
All right.
All I see is the earth moving.
Okay, let's see. Let's get these guys up. Quick little snack for me and Leila, more than likely.
Yep, I like. Have you eat the seaweed?
I didn't mean to put that seaweed in there, but yeah, sure. All right, quick little snack before we head home.
Yep. No one needs to eat something.
He had breakfast.
It's jabbling. What?
Oh, look at that.
I don't see anything. Ah! It's burning.
No, it's not.
No.
All right, we got some Hawaiian salt here from the salt beds here on Kauai. There's some of that in there. Salt Bay action. How? All right, so let me make sure it's not too hot.
Okay.
Look at that. And get this off my head. That is yummy. Nice and salty too, man. It's good stuff.
Ah, hot.
Yeah, hot. You can get that one, sweetie. This is the eggs. That's the good part. That's the part you like, yeah?
I don't feel any shells.
No, there's no shells. You can put the whole thing in your mouth.
Yeah, I like it. The yolky.
The yolky.
I kind of taste the yolky.
You want to know pee guy? Here.
I believe you.
You're gonna eat it, okay? Here. We got video. We got video proof. What? Oh Jesus! Give me it. Well, that was actually the closest he ever got to it. Good job, dude. Had to wait for trying.
Yummy.
Mm-hmm.
I believe it.
And we got this PPP.
That is my brother.
Sorry. And we got this PPP. The what do you call them? Periwinkles. Yeah, put it back, dude. Don't drop it. Put it back. And they got this little door on there. Focus. You gotta take the door off. The animal's inside. You can suck them out. All right, so that was good. That was a lot of fun. Beautiful day. Let's go do a little bit of exploring with the kids. Some of the stuff they like to do. And see what's under this rock over here, yeah? Whoa. Let's see what's under here. Oh my goodness, what we got? What do we got? I don't know. I don't see a whole bunch of snails.
Yeah! Look at the purple rock.
Yeah, watch out. I'm going to drop it back down.
Wow.
When you pick up a rock, always put it down the exact same way you found it, because these are homes for a lot of creatures. Oh, careful, sweetie. Watch out. Back away. Ouch. I'm trying to get up under here. What we got?
What?
Nothing. I think there's a there's a little shrimp.
Get it though.
He's under there. Hold on. Maybe if I bring this back up, he'll come around the top. That's a Pacific cleaner shrimp, I believe they call it. Ah, I lost him. What they do is they clean. What? Sea cucumber. What they do is they clean, they eat a whole bunch of stuff. They'll clean other animals. I don't know if it got on camera, so I don't know, we'll see. Alright, we got a sea urchin, Vana, or uni if you go the Japanese way. Right here. He's right. There's one right here. Right here. Look where I'm pointing. Watch out. Don't pokey. Watch out. You see him? There's one right there too. No.
Not on the tippy top where the spikes are.
That's where, is covered in spikes, sweetie. Oh yeah. Alright, let's go a little bit deeper. A lot of sea urchins. Guarantee when the certain time comes around, you could probably get some octopus out here. Oh, that's a good rock. Oh, the fish. Oh my god, dude. Yep. We can what so well? We can what so well? Nothing, never mind. Yeah, I couldn't hear what you said. Seaweed and a squirt.
Making a seaweed ice pop.
Seaweed pop?
I like it. I need this. Ah, get back here.
Alright guys, let's get ready to pack it up. Hope you guys enjoyed our day at the beach. It's what I like to do with them, especially on my days off. And it's Leila's spring break from preschool, so she got to spend a day with me and Nolan, and it was real nice. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. We had fun. We had a lot of fun. Leila's all comfy cozy now, and Nolan is passed out sleeping on the floor. What was your favorite part, Leila, of today?
That when the helicopters went over me.
Oh, really?
Yep.
How about eating the opihi and stuff on the beach?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And too bad that I dropped it and no one wasted.
He didn't waste. I ate the one that he spit out. But all right.
And I want to say something.
What?
I'm going kindergarten soon.
Yeah. After this summer.
I'm 5. I'm not supposed to be in preschool. I'm supposed to be straight to kindergarten. If I went to preschool and I was 3, I'll be at kindergarten already. Right?
I think so. I don't know. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Mahalos, and see y'all next time.